Hey guys, running your own business from home is the ultimate dream, right? Okay, imagine not having an annoying boss ordering you around, telling you what time to clock in and out. Instead, you get to work from the comfort of your home. You get to choose your own working hours, and at the same time, you start making more money than you've ever dreamed of, and you get to have the lifestyle you've dreamed of having. However, there are some things you need to know before you start a home business, and today I'm going to be sharing it all with you, the good, the bad, and the ugly, so you can begin to make that six-figure income your reality. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and for those of you who are new here, hello and thanks for stopping by. I'm Lorna Recommend, and please subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up button and share this video with your friends and family. So without further ado, let's go right ahead and dive on into this great way for you to begin making money online by running your business from home. Now then, if you've landed on this video, then you're probably really fed up with the 9-to-5 job and being in pain constantly. You also want to know how to actually run a business from home. So if you're new to business and thinking about starting one that can be run from your home, then you need to be prepared to do some reading or research. Even if you never went to college, don't just sit around idly. Instead, read business books and acquire the necessary skills and spend time watching videos and learning from them. Now, if you plan on selling physical products that you're good at making, you still need to have in mind that you are to find a target audience for it, and then you have to learn how to market it. So, for sure, you certainly must be consistent when it comes to selling products or services online. Next, having created your item or completion of your service, then certainly the likelihood is that part of it is really going to be the smallest part of your business. The next thing you'll need to be prepared is the sheer quantity of hours you'll have to invest in your business up front. Therefore, when you're planning to start your business, be prepared that it won't free up your schedule as mentioned above. Therefore, when you're planning to start your business, be prepared that it won't free up your schedule as mentioned above. In most cases, a large proportion of business owners start out by being money poor and time rich, having the goal that one day you'll turn this around and become money rich and have less time on your hands. So basically, right about now, if you don't have a ton of money hanging around to invest into your business at the startup phase, then for certain you'll be putting in a lot more effort and sweat equity at the beginning. However, as your business begins to elevate off the ground, you will notice that you have the ability to invest some of your profit back into your business, and this is to pay for those things where you no longer have time to do. Now then, let's look at investment, and I'm not referring to putting your money in the Doja coin either, so stop telling people to buy your crypto. Instead, you should look to be putting your money back into your business as a better way to help you make more money later on as your business is taking off. For example, if you're making jewelry, then one of your first investments should be a paper cutter, because you will spend a lot of time cutting by hand your packaging, allowing you to save a substantial amount of time. Some good business investments for you to make are business tools, supplies, software, books, and online courses are all ways that will help you generate more profit in the long run. Also, the things mentioned above are very likely tax deductible. However, However, be sure to check with your accountant. Now then, my next point for preparedness to run a business must be, and without a shadow of doubt, you must be ready and prepared to pay your tax even if you're not making much money in your first year of business. Do not allow yourself to over IRS any money. So, when starting your business, it's wise to start planning to pay business taxes. Don't stress over it. Now then, I'm about to give you 3 top tips that will enable you to navigate your way through your first year. Firstly, you should expect to save about 30 of every sale for taxes. And yes, I know it sounds like a lot of money. However, and regardless of whether you're paying your taxes quarterly or just making one large payment yearly, 30 should certainly cover your tax. The good thing is that if you overpay or end up having more than you need, then this works out to your advantage as bonus money that you can keep. Secondly, you are to save every business receipt for every purchase you make. For example, paper clips, a new business laptop, a camera, pens, tools, apps, books, software, etc. So then, regardless of the size of your purchase, whether big or small, you must keep those receipts to enable you to write off those expenses at the end of the year. Thirdly, unless you are an experienced accountant, then you should not attempt to do your own taxes. For sure, as a business owner, your taxes are far more complicated than you can ever imagine. You ought to know that tax laws change yearly. Therefore, an experienced business accountant will be aware of these changes and can help you save thousands of dollars. For sure, you should have it in mind that when you're running your own business, that you are new and you don't have the ability to clock out because there's always something for you to do and to be done. With business ownership, it's more likely that every door you open leads to half a dozen more doors, because the more you learn, the more you get to realize that you don't know as much as you first thought. When it comes to starting and running your home business, prepare your mind and try not to let yourself become overwhelmed because you are working towards your success, which is only a matter of time. However, when it comes to money and when you see a great deal of success with your online business, then you will realize the time, effort, sweat and tears was well worth it. So if you're about to begin a business because you need money tomorrow, then in all probability, this isn't going to be the best fit for you. And should you be starting a business for the purpose of making as much money as possible, this then probably isn't for you either. Guys, you need to see success as a journey, and you must learn to lean into the whole process and embrace it, because you should not feel as though you've reached success, because we are ever learning and pivoting and always wanting more. So, should you ever only be looking at the next step on the ladder, then you will surely be missing out on the wonderful, eye-catching scenery along the way. This is part of the road for successful business owners, and you should have a love and passion for what you do through the good and the bad times. There is also the fact that along your journey, you will most likely have some failures. However, you learn from your mistakes and failures and become better and stronger for it. Let it motivate and push you forward to your success, because you're destined for purpose. So learn to take your time and go at your own pace. And as I've said before, embrace and learn to love the whole process. So then, for you, success in business is all about investing a great deal of your time and hard work in order to get your business off the ground. With a little science, some data, and help from an expert you feel able to trust, you will for sure and certainly without any doubt be well on your way to business success. So without further ado, this is Lorna Recommend, and please remember to subscribe to this channel. Hit that like button where you guys can stick around for more videos like this one. So this brings us to the end, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.